Hello students, myself Nitin Patel. In this video, we will discuss about the religion in China or Chinese religions. As in all the river valley civilization, the Chinese who worshipped the forces of nature. The earth was worshipped in the form an eastern mold. They worshipped a god called Shang Ti as the ruler above. The Chinese believed in ancestor worship. From the childhood, the Chinese children were taught to respect the wisdom and achievement of their ancestors. Taoism and Confucius were the two most popular religions and psychological systems founded by the Laotais and Confucius respectively. Now we will discuss this topic according to our book. The Chinese worship the forces of nature. Ancestors worship also prevailed in ancient China. The Chinese believed that the spirit of the dead had great power. The dead were wrapped in matting and buried along their precious belongings. The Chinese consulted oracles or priests to learn about the future. The oracles held tortoise shells and castles born over fire. Where cracks appeared, they interpreted them to predict the future. Now we will discuss the script and little bit I will tell to you about the script. It was the pictographic or ideographic like the script of Chinese civilization. They wrote on silk cloth, write a fine brush. The earliest Chinese writing were found on oracle bones. Now we will discuss that topic from our book. Scripts. Initially the Chinese script bar was pictographic, that is word were represented by picture. Picto means picture. In math also we are making our pictograph. In that pictograph we will representing our graph by the help of picture. Now in the Chinese civilization that concept have taken from Chinese civilization. Later on pictures were replaced by sign, each sign representing an idea. The script was written the artistic bronze stock on silk, bone on bamboo stick. Now, development in science and technology. Development in science and technology also done in Chinese civilization. In Chinese civilization, Chinese calculated the length of the every year accurately as 365 one whole by 4 days. It means 1 quarter and 365 days. They did the combining solar and lunar system. They could predict eclipse also. By the help of eclipse, they are finding these things. Now, now we will discuss in this video the achievement of Chinese also. The first to grow tea and produce medicine. China produced the tea and medicines. First to produce silk. Chinese produced silk in first time. China first to make penicillin. Chinese script. Chinese calendar. Great Wall of China. Invented mariner, compass, gunpowder, astronomical clock. These were the Chinese achievement. Okay, now repeat these things and understand about the Chinese civilization. It is covered in our previous two videos. Okay, and repeat the topic and learn these